quiet as I could. I followed my plan and dressed and packed a bag. I wrote a note to the man who was still asleep. It said, "Goodbye, baby, I'm gone." I put it on my pillow and left. The air was cold and my cheeks were red, but I couldn't care less. No, I couldn't. The moon was still bright and the sun was getting ready to rise. I got into my car and drove to the station and waited for the 509. My skin felt numb, but inside, yes, inside, I was a burning flame. Where would I go, I wondered? To some special place where I couldn't be found. Yes, that sounded perfect. Years have passed since that day, and I've never had one regret. I found a place and a man who loved me, and I'll always, always stay there. My friends, is to always let your light shine and never ever get trapped in a cage.